Hey tourists! Where are we going?
Wait, give me.
Welcome to this trip with Carrie, Alex, Remy and Juan. And we are going from Las Terrenas to Las Galeras. After 3 hours of a road trip where we had loads of fun, we finally arrived in this very cute little town and went on to the beaches the next day, which you can clearly see here. So Carrie did her petty open water dive course. Remis Juan and Alex, we decided to spend the day at the beach and pretty much had the whole beach for our own, which was pretty amazing. And then we headed back because we had a long day ahead of us with a beautiful hike. After opening the way, we finally get into the jungle and started our amazing journey along the coast of Las Galeras, supported by some amazing drone footage. Just have a look at this crystal clear blue water. While we made our way through the jungle, we learned a lot about the fruits, the plants, and the animals that live there. And I tried to understand as much as possible with my Spanish, and Alex and Remy helped me out.
Perfecto. Acabando diciendo que no hay que tomar agua. The seed you sow on the coconut, when it's grow bigger, to give this kind of fruit inside. You can eat it.
Really?
You can taste it.
You can see a very small woodpecker penetrating the palm tree and some amazing eagles flying very close to the drone. Watch out! Just imagine yourself laying here on this remote beach, this crystal clear water on the palm trees. This was truly a dream location. So we got our snorkeling gear together and hopped into the crystal clear, warm water. enjoyed our lunch at the beach and relaxed for a little longer. We made our way back by climbing this mountain and then making our way through the forest back to Las Galeras, where we would meet up with some friends. We didn't had enough of the beaches yet, so we decided to go on a 7-beach walkthrough the next morning with our friends, so stay tuned for this one.